So, you might have been wondering where we've been for a while. We got your Flames and Thunder up the other week, so hopefully that tided you over for a while. Yeah, so, workshop. Those of you in the know what's going on. Basically tomorrow, there'll be some... Who's calling? That's all I can hear on the phone.
Alright, no problem. You going to send that money over? Alright, I'll ring in now.
May I continue?
Yeah.
So, where was I? Oh yeah, basically, workshop. Those of you in the know that, yeah, we've been trying to get some good new concrete down in here for quite a while. Basically, we're having to undertake this ourselves now. So tomorrow's the exciting day. Concrete starts to go down in the workshop. More interruptions. Yeah, concrete starts to go down in our workshop. So this will all be smooth. That'll be smooth. This bit will be smooth later on. Yeah, plastic sheeting first, and then we're going to have some mesh. That bit of fun to play with. Yeah, it should be entertaining. So, yeah, we'll grab you some more pictures and we'll update you as we go, I suppose. And with that all said, we'll see you soon. So, a bit of an update. First layer of plastic's in. First layer of mesh is all in. It's got to wire it together. We're just going to go and grab some food. It's currently 9:40 p.m. and we're carrying on because concrete's in the morning. First layer of mesh, we've got a second layer going in that gap afterwards. Once we've done that, we've got that space to do as well, and all that mesh to clear. So yeah, it's going to be fun. We'll see you soon. Yeah, it's 12:40 p.m, a.m, whichever. Concrete's turn up in a few hours. We've not long finished this. Weird ass shuttering's done. Hopefully it holds. Still got this bay to sort out. Gonna be here a while. Well, it's 2:52 in the a.m. Looks like my facial hair's got interrupted. We're nearly done. Got a little bit of shuttering to build on the front here. Ryan's just tying in the last of the mesh. Bit of shuttering, some stakes, levels to check. And bed. Yeah, I was well excited to start with. I'm really struggling right now. But yeah, tomorrow's, or in a few hours, is going to be challenging, but also pretty exciting. First stage of concrete in Essex Rotary. It'll be awesome. See you in a bit. It's 4 a.m. We've just finished.
Okay, I want to go to bed.
He looks tired as well. Yeah, we're all done. Most of the checks are sorted. Bay 1 and 2 are pretty much good to go. I could really do with a shower, but I need to sleep more, I think. So I guess that's a toss-up for when I get in. Anyway, yeah, so 10 a.m. concrete arrives and it will all start again. I'll see you tomorrow. heater's going. It's a bit chilly, about 7 degrees at the minute, according to the workshop. It's 20 past 10. Concrete truck's a little bit late. Cheers, Mix and Light, because you've done me a favour. Actually, I would say he cleared it with me. It would be late. It's done us a favour because we've still been wrapping up. We've got some little poles in there, little pole in there. There's a height gauge. We've got another one down there. Yeah, truck's just backing in. Got to get all these chutes put together, and then it's pouring time. So I'll probably see you after the mayhem's done. So there we are.
Look.
Concrete trucks here. It's an exciting time. Truck number 2. Bay 1's done. Bay 2 we've got a bit more. Fun starts again. Alright, Rich. First bay, ball floated. We're running out of concrete, and we're sure we've got some more being delivered in about an hour or two. Yeah, Ryan's attempting to keep it wet. To be honest, it's not taking that long to go off. Wrap off, Richard. But yeah, we've got a little bit more coming from another firm to drop that off. And then with a bit of luck, we can finish it and then break out the power flow. Yeah, that's going to be pretty cool. So yeah, watch this space and we'll be back. So, it's nearly 5 PM. We've been on it all day. Second slab's finally floated out or screeded out. Ryan's on the first slab, or bay 1 as we've called it for the minute. He's just power floating that out with the float pan. I'm about to make this, and then we should be good. Finally, the majority of the hard work's done. But I've got all this slop on the floor I've got to deal with. Nice. Power float time. Oh yeah, this slab's done as well. Excuse the heater, it's currently 6:46 PM on day 2 of pouring hell. Being floated with the power float, it's taking bloody ages. This one's still wet, we could be here all night again, but it's got to be done, so I'll give you an update. We've still got all the mud to deal with, yay. That's the first tip for the actual power trail, power float without the float pan on it. Going forward, it's actually making a difference. We're complete noobs and not exactly sure what's going on, but yeah, this one's still going off. It's taking a while. We're getting there though. So it's currently 8:12. Going well. We're going to be here for a while. Longer. 8:20. Bay 1's getting his first bit of floating. The back's actually going off before the front because the front's newer concrete. But it's we'll just have to start with the back and then slowly work. This is really difficult. From the back and then slowly work forward as it hardens. That one's been finishing troweling. Got to carry on with that as and when it goes. But yeah, second heater on the go. Heater number 1, and it's still only 8 bloody degrees. So yeah, Ryan's done an amazing job on the power float. For someone that's never used it before, neither have I. But yeah, it's all going well. We'll check in again soon. More power float on that bay. still had to dry. This is boring. That is anyway. This, we're getting there. It's 10:44. That's nearly done. Ryan's meant to find himself some like low profile sole footwear to finish that slab off. This one's just had its proper first float pan jobby. That one's going to be a while. We're getting there. We're getting there. It's coming together and it's pretty exciting, but it's been a long couple of days. So it's 12:55 AM on Sunday, Saturday. I'm lost. It's Sunday according to my clock. This slab's pretty much done. We might put the trowel over it one last time. Pretty much solid, looking nice. This load of slop's going off. We've put the actual trowel over it for the first time. You can see my footprints in it. All the edges have been done. So we're just waiting for this to dry up a little bit and we'll start to carry on troweling it. Hopefully, it'll look like that when we're done. It's exciting. It's tired work anyway. It's 20 past 2 AM. We're hitting this again. I think it's going to be the last one. We get a nice dark sheen off of it. So I'm pretty happy with that. That one's still coming along. Ryan's doing a great job with the trowel. The bearded one though. Yeah, it's coming up nice. .433. This one's coming up nice and shiny. Maybe we'll get an anal with this, but this one's on the finishing side of stuff. So Ryan's on that. Yeah, we could be here till sun up in a minute. The shininess encouraging us to carry on. But yeah, we're getting on with it. Tired, worn out, lack of strength, so we're kind of getting beaten up by the power float at this point. But yeah, should be good when it's done. It's 27. We're still floating. Oh yeah. Starting to shine up, so we're nearly done. I really want bed. Really badly. So dry. Had a temporary sleep on that for a bit. But yeah, gotta get it done. Good afternoon, people. 2:59 PM, Sunday. After not many hours sleep, thanks to my cat waking me up. Back to what looks like the Somme here. Not looking forward to having to deal with this, but it is what it is. On the plus side, excuse me, my camera skills are a bit wrecked by now. They weren't great to start with anyway. On the plus side, that's the base from last night, which is we've been calling Bay 1. It's not bad. We got it polished out a bit. I was pretty happy with it. So I've walked in and seen Bay number 2. Might just want to redo Bay 1 now. Not happening. Well happy with that. That is we're not professional concrete layers, but that is a nice finish. The rest of the workshop comes out like that. We're going to be more than chuffed. We'll probably be following the rest of the build, but I think for whatever this instalment's going to be, yeah, I'm going to call it. I'm knackered. So's my brother. We've got this to deal with before we can call it a weekend. Yeah, and then next week, it was meant to be Monday, but or i.e. tomorrow, next week, we've got that to deal with. So, yeah, it should be a good one. Stay tuned. We'll stick some more up on the channel once we get around to it. And yeah, usual like, comment, subscribe. EssexRotary.co.uk, EssexRotaryStore.co.com. Facebook is Essex Rotary Specialists, and at Essex Rotary for Twitter and Instagram. Yeah, enthusiasm's like quite downhill at this minute. This is the reward, but yeah, I'm hurting, and so is Ryan. So yeah, cheers for sticking with it, guys. And yeah, if you're interested in something completely random, not to do with cars, apart from we're going to be putting them on that, yeah, stick with us and we'll try and get you an update. Or we will get you an update on stage 2, I'm guessing. Thanks for watching. Yeah, don't forget, again, like, comment and subscribe. Bye-bye. Oh, I'd like to say one last thing. Thank you very much to Mike Day Concrete. He's an American concrete contractor, which me and my brother's been following for a little while as we were planning to do this. And he's basically equipped me with as much knowledge as I needed to lay this crap and get a satisfactory finish on that one at least. Happy with that, but yeah, that we could have worked that a bit harder but that was a test to find out what we was doing wrong. But yeah, thanks, Mike. If you're interested in concrete laying, I might even stick a link down in the description if you want to do some of your own stuff. Cheers, guys. About 7:41 PM, and there's me mopping the floor because there's some leaks and I'll get the blueprints off. So yeah, weren't quite done. We'll get back to you.